When you are using an Excel spreadsheet, sometimes there may be a lot of data and you may not be able to find exactly what you are looking for. This can be solved by using filters. Filters help you narrow down information to find exactly what you're looking for. To do this, go to the column which you want to filter and click on the drop down arrow on the right hand side of that cell. This will then give you a list of options which you can either tick or untick depending on what you're looking for. For example, if you're looking for a specific year, you could unselect all of them and just select one year. Then click OK, and you will see everything that meets that specific criteria. To return the list to its original state, if you just click Select All and then click OK, you will see all of the items again.